off the gas. Alright, so we want to change the motor mount on this 2009 Mazda 5. So this is the one I'm talking about. So in order to reach this, you have to first take this off. I'm going to take this pipe off, put the reservoir over to the side. I've used a jack that can lift 4 tons to slightly raise the engine. Alright, so these are the nuts and bolts that I'm talking about. These are all 17. I have this 17 millimeter socket, but as you see, it won't fit on here because it's deep, but it will fit on those bolts there. So I can use them for that. And for this one, I'm gonna use this. It has a 17 millimeter. I've broken them loose. Now it's easy to just take them off. Alright, so I ended up removing the cover, which is very easy to take off. You just pull it off so that I have enough room to break this, and I was able to break that bolt loose. Okay. Ooh. See, that's why it was making all that noise. Alright, alright. The new part, the old one, and the new one side by side. So let's put this here. Put the bolts and the nuts on. I'm going to start off by tightening by hand. I'm going to start using tools. Alright, so I've tightened everything down. So now I'm gonna let the car off the jack and then check the tightness again. Alright, so the car is off the jack now. I have to put the cover back on, put the reservoir for the coolant. Putting this back is pretty straightforward. Line it up with the frame. It sits snug, and there. Alright, now is the moment of truth. I got to put this back on. Alright. Woo! Today we were able to remove this engine mount and replace it with a new one. So let's go ahead and see how it rides. Alright, I feel it to be much more stable. Put it in reverse. It is smooth. Alright, so straight off the bat, I can feel the car to be much more smooth. Car feels much more sure-footed. And I'm gonna let off the gas, and I don't hear any squeaky sounds. No sounds of